So we're down by the Victoria Mine. There's some waste rock over here from a shaft that looks like it existed across the street. There's supposedly a waterfall with an adit behind it. So we're gonna follow this river and see if we can find it. Down here, so there's this waste rock, this like fridge or something that somebody threw down. All this stone. Look at this thing. Look at all that. That water runs under all this. Ugh. Okay, so let's go over here. Ooh, Brianna might be over here. Yeah, I think it's right here, Brianna. This looks like the waterfall. Oh yeah, here it is. It's exactly where it said it was. Look at that's awesome. Oh, no way. That is so cool. See that? Yeah. Isn't that cool? Yeah. You want to go in there? Yeah. All right, so we're going in. Okay, let's go this way. Ooh, there's spiders. Look at this. That doesn't go anywhere. Stop sweating here. Look at this, is kind of crazy. All right, let's go down this way. This is kind of neat. Oh, it doesn't really go. Look at these. Little nesting. Look at how that's full of moss.
Look. Spiders.
Oh yeah.
What's that white thing?
It's an egg sac.
Oh.
Oh, so this isn't really that extensive, but it's kind of neat. They definitely tried just a little exploratory work. What's this over here? Nothing. This looks like it fills with water, actually. All this stuff gets pushed back in here. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. That's not actually that hard to get to. And now we'll take a picture together. That's pretty cool. Well, that's really cool. I'm happy with this. That's neat. Got the water right here. Let's go see up over here. I think there's something. So we'll follow this down so we don't have to climb up, and then we can just go right back up to the road. Ooh, is there a toad? Don't slip on this.
Will you put this in your bag?
Yes. It's crazy how it doesn't go straight back. It just goes, it's like a cross cut. So it looks like the Victoria Mine did just a little bit of exploratory work down here. Getting towards we're going towards the dam right now. So they must have had that added as just a little exploratory working, which is cool. So now we're just gonna follow the valley back to the road, but look at this waste rock. Rotundus has found us. Goodbye, Rotundus. All right, let's go find this waste rock. Let's go see what's up there. Look at all that. There's definitely a shaft up here. Definitely a working of the Victoria Mine. This is a lot of waste rock. The real question is, where's the shaft at? Probably right up there. Ooh. There's a trench. See anything down there? Wonder where the shaft was. There's all there is a trench. That's Victoria Falls. They made this dam to power the mine. Water would fall into a tunnel. They'd add compressed air. It would float to the top in the tunnel and create a natural air compressor that could provide thousands of horsepower to the mine. The mist isn't over here. Oh, it's over here. Boy, it's hot. Does it feel like it's flowing more than last time?
I don't know.
Then they would carry the water through a pipe to the generation mill, and it used to be made out of wood. There's a section of it up there. And again, they had that section of wood pipe up there. They had like 87 miles of, the water would run through 87 miles of that wood stuff. That's crazy. I mean, there's that section of wood over there. A pristine natural area behind it. It's pretty neat. Yeah, that water spills out over on the right. Comes out at a perpendicular angle there. It's kind of cool. Get out of here. So if I'm walking like this.
How you doing? I've been thinking about you all day.
I think I left my phone at your house. That's okay though.
Ah, you went up me.
At least I know where it is.
You sure about that?
Well, it's probably there. Do you have it?
No.
Oh, okay.
It's in plain sight though. It's kind of a funny thing.
Oh, no.